It's very clear that if the government wanted to come clear, they would have definitely gone for a JPC. A JPC needs to be constituted because the allegations are very serious. Let's not hide behind what the Honorable Supreme Court has said. Now, in this particular matter, the biggest question is about a middleman, Sushen Gupta. Now, if there are questions being raised, and this matter relates to the Indian Air Force, because Rafale jets are being brought in for, for the armed forces. So isn't this a very serious issue? And if the government is, absolutely clean, why is it scared? Why is it that there has been a delay of 5 years? Why is it that the jet which was going to come in for 526 crores was bought is being bought for 1,670 crores? If you remember, in 2016, the Honorable State Minister had told the Parliament that it was for 670 crores, and then they changed it to 1,670 crores, saying that the services and the weapons were not included, meaning the services and the weapons are more than the cost of the jet. Now, there are lots of questions that need to be answered, and the government needs to understand that this is a matter which is related to their nationalism. It is related to the armed forces, and the country is raising questions. And
so are you saying that the Supreme Court's clean chit on pricing is not enough, Sujata Paul? Because the court said on the perusal of documents we had found that one cannot compare apples and oranges. The court also said it is not the function of this court to determine the prices, nor for that matter can such aspects be dealt with on mere suspicion of persons who decide to approach the court.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. It is not for the courts to decide. It is for the Joint Parliamentary Committee to investigate the matter. Why is the Prime Minister scared of coming in front of the JPC? Why is this a defense deal where Reliance Defense Limited was, established just 15 days before? HAL was supposed to get this deal, but the Prime Minister has been selling away everything that he has not built. And
take a counter now from Tuhin Sinha on that.
Was thrown out. So isn't that a very valid question? आप जो गलत तथ्य देंगे तो उनको मान लिया जाएगा। तो
गलत आरोप लगाते हैं, जनता को आरोप लगाते हैं, जनता को गुमराह करने के लिए।
दसों का 49% स्टेक है, रिलायंस का 51%। तो मुझे ये समझा दीजिए कि बराबर इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए था। ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि 94% इन्वेस्टमेंट जो है वो दासो कर रहा है और केवल 10 मिलियन यूरोज जो है वो रिलायंस डिफेंस लिमिटेड कर रहा है और दासो कर रहा है 159 मिलियन यूरोज। ये भी आपको याद रखना होगा, लॉ की बात कर रहे हैं ना। 30% कोई बाहर से आता है तो 30% का तो R&D या सामान जो वो खरीदेंगे वो तो हमारे देश से खरीदेंगे। लेकिन आपने तो खुद ही अभी कहा कि ये मेक इन फ्रांस है, तो मेक इन इंडिया क्यों नहीं है? मेक इन इंडिया क्यों नहीं है?
Okay, all right, Sujata, let him respond.
इंडिया होना था।
लेकिन तुहिन सिन्हा, अब जब ये मामला फिर से
3% ऑफसेट डील जो है अनिल अंबानी को कंपनी को गया और ये कहते हैं कि ही इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑफसेट पार्टनर। तो पहले इनकी रिसर्च सही हो।
मैं जो बातों को पूछ रही हूँ तो आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे तुहिन जी। मैं तो कुछ और पूछ रही हूँ, आप कुछ और बोल रहे हैं।
आप जो सवाल पूछ रही हैं मैं इसलिए जवाब नहीं दे रहा हूं क्योंकि मैं अपने आप को डिफेंस एक्सपर्ट नहीं मानता। आप पता नहीं आपने कितने डिफेंस डील्स क्रैक किए हैं कि इस अथॉरिटी के साथ आप कहती हैं कि दसौत ने इतना सौदा किया।
फिर आप क्यों जवाब देने के लिए आगे? जब आपको पता ही नहीं है तो आपको जवाब देने का अधिकार नहीं है। देखिए, जब नए तथ्य सामने आए हैं मेरे भाई तुहिन जी, करप्शन, इन्फ्लुएंस पेडलिंग, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग और फेवरेटिज्म के आरोप लगे हैं। इसी वजह से वहां पर जुडिशियल इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है। अब आप मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि अगर आप इस मैटर को देखें तो हम खरीदार हैं, जिसने खरीदा है उसका मिडिलमैन की बात हो रही है, तो हम इन्वेस्टिगेट ना करें क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पहले कह दिया। ये कैसा तर्क है? अगर नए तथ्य आए हैं तो नए लाइट में उसको हमें इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है। दूसरी बात, अगर आप मैं इससे हट के बोल रही हूँ, हमने बेचा कोवैक्सीन ब्राजील को, ब्राजील ने इसी तरह की जहाँ चार्जेस लगे वहाँ इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है इस मैटर में. तो जहाँ
Okay, Sujata, tell me something. Will in that case the Congress party in the opposition in wake of the new development approach the top court? Because in 2018 the Supreme Court said there is no ground to order a probe into the Rafale deal. In 2019 the CAG said overall price was 2.86% cheaper under the NDA. So these institutions already have made their verdicts public. Now you're saying in the wake of the information you were demanding a JPC probe. Is the opposition or the Congress party specifically planning to go to the top court? Shouldn't that be the obvious next step?
What we are saying is that there should be a JPC constituted. That is not going to be done by the Honorable Supreme Court. That the government should be ready about it, because this is a matter which needs to be investigated by a joint parliamentary committee. How can the courts come into that? You know, so that is, I think, very fair, and I don't think the government needs to be scared of anything if they are so transparent. And this government has always said that we will come clean on everything. So why not on such a huge issue where there is such a huge amount of public money which is involved? This relates to security of the country.
Okay,
because
Tuhin Sinha.
is just for our airport.
Tuhin Sinha, Sujata Paul says, shouldn't the government come clean? Shouldn't the government come clean by allowing a JPC probe?
The Congress has a fundamental disregard for Indian institutions. Even if they have to demand a JPC, they are demanding based on the complaint of a foreign NGO. Why do they not refer to the repeated judicial reprimands which they have received in the last 3 years? Why don't they base their demand on the findings of the CAG of India? They have a fundamental disregard and condemnation of the Indian
don't mislead people. There are new facts which have come out, so we must be transparent, because the world is also looking at us. Are we going to stop dealing with France now? No.
In France.
Look,
let those facts gain traction in France. For all you know, it could be a sponsored NGO. Like you guys have so many NGOs.
All right, it's just a judicial probe at this point in time, says Tuhin Sinha.